Hey guys, Steffi here. I hope you're all good and well. In today's video, we're going to paint baby Simba as requested by the lovely Jetson10100. You've asked me to paint Simba a while back. I wasn't sure if you meant teenage Simba or baby Simba, but I went with the safest option. So I painted the scene where he's being held up at the top of the mountain when he was really a baby. So yeah, without further ado, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to start painting a little bird and then connect the edges with a V shape underneath. And then going to add a little line and a tiny sad face. On the left side of the mouth, I'm going to paint a little S shape and then connect a little line to the right side of the nose and bring down a curved line to meet the initial S shape we just painted. I'm then going to complete the nose by adding a diagonal line on the right side. For the eyes, I'm going to paint an upside down U shape and connect the edges of the eye with a curved line. The second eye is going to be more of a triangle just because of perspective and the angle of Simba's face. To start finish off the face, I'm going to draw a line parallel to the eye and the shape of the nose, adding a few spikes for the hair and connecting it to the bottom of his smile. I'm going to continue with his forehead, add a few spikes, carry on till the end of the nail and start mocking up his ear. We're going to do the ear on the other side, again a triangle shape because of perspective. To finish off the face, we're going to go ahead and pull a line from his smile to the edge of the nail. For the hands, I'm going to start with an upside down V shape, a U shape at the edge, and then a parallel line to the first line we just drew. I'm then going to add 3 more fingers by painting 3 lines at the bottom of his face and then start on the other hand. For the second hand, we're going to paint 4 U shapes, similar in size, and then draw a line from the center where each U shape meets towards the face and then round off the fingers that are left. For his body, I'm going to add 2 more straight lines just down the nail under the hands. To finish off the design, I'm going to paint another U shape at the center of his first eye and then connect it with a line to the first shape. The second eye is just going to be a triangle like before, connecting it to the bottom of the eye. Once this is cured, I'm going to start color blocking using mustard, filling in his face, his ears, the bottom of his face, and a tiny section of his body, as well as the arms, which I forgot to record mistakenly. Using a lighter nude, we're going to finish off the rest of his body, the mouth section, and the bottom bit of both eyes. I'm going to paint the inner section of his eyes with light yellow. I know what you're thinking, guys. Unfortunately, I've messed up and deleted some of the footage, but just to explain, I've painted his hands purple, the upper arches of his eye dark brown, and the nose peachy pink. To finish off, I'm going to paint the background with a gorgeous sky blue and then cure. And now for the fun bit, or not, we're going to start outlining. Again, guys, outlining can be quite daunting, but practice as much as you can and make sure you keep the lines super thin, especially in the center of the character. The inner parts should always be quite thin. If you want to go thicker, it's just the outer part of the character, otherwise it's going to look way too harsh. I thoroughly recommend a long line brush for outlining. It's easier to control and it makes your lines look so much neater. I mean, the brush is easier to maneuver when the bristles are longer. If you're not as confident with your line work, you can always go in with a smaller brush, dip it in alcohol, and then neaten up the lines that you need to. I'm going to add a little more detail with black at the center of each eye before I finish off this design. Now that baby Simba is cured, we're going to go ahead and top coat this bad boy to seal in all that goodness. Before curing, I realized I forgot the 2 dots at the center of his eyes, so I've done that for you guys as well. And this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other characters or nail art or techniques that you want to learn, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to create a tutorial for you. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care, guys.